Hey guys, this is long form video number 2. My bike is kind of nasty right now. So first we have the cleaner that I'm just going to use on like all the dirty spots. Then tire foam. We have one more item I forgot. Let me bring it out really quick. And then we have this detailer right here. So let's start with the frame by cleaning it all down. And then we're going to put some detailer on it. So let's get started. Before we start, now it's looking pretty nasty. Alright, let's do them. Okay, so now let's get started. Okay, now let's do this thing backwards and do the other side. Alright, now we're going backwards. Let's get this side done because it's also looking really nasty. Okay, so now we have it foamed up. Now let's wipe it up. This tire looks so much better than it did. Oh, it looks amazing. But now let's also get the rim because the rim is also kind of nasty. This thing is looking amazing already. Look at the difference between the front and the back. The back one looks way better. Alright, now let's do the front wheel. Alright, so now we've finished with the front wheel. To be honest, already it's looking pretty clean. All we need to do is just the shine kit. Guys, so that's it for this video. And now let's shoot the after clips.
Sent flowers, but you said you didn't receive. That girl is a real crowd, please. Small world, all her friends know of me. Young bull living like an old geese. Quick release the cash, watch it fall slowly.
Yo, if I could do it, then why can't you? Get up and make it work. Ain't no way that I'm sitting around. It's now or never, I'm picking the first.